Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can avoid tolls on your Google Map application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now to avoid tolls on your Google Map, firstly open your Google Map application. You will arrive on the home page of Google Maps. Now, click on blue arrow button on the right side of the screen. Choose and enter your start location, that is your current location. After entering your current location, choose your destination. It will display the possible route from your current location to your destination. Now, to avoid tolls throughout your route, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Route Options and choose Avoid Toll Roads in the middle among other options and click on Done. This is how you can avoid tolls on your Google Map application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.